Hello, kids. For your inquiry assignment today on Wednesday, September 30th, you're going to click into the inquiry folder, and you can see there are two assignments for you to do today. So the first assignment is a video to watch that's really fun. It just kind of shows the different countries in the world with a really cool song. We've had one like it before, which was Tour the States, and it showed the United States of America. But this one is Tour the World, and a shout out to Charlie Baker for um, making sure that I put this into our inquiry assignment, and I love it too, so I'm glad we're doing it. But it just gives you a chance to see what the countries of the world are, and gives you a chance to kind of dream about different places. And then related to that, we've got a little discussion topic here. Where would you go? And I want you to imagine a world with no boundaries, no barriers. So you can't say, well, I couldn't get there because I don't, blah, blah, blah. Well, imagine that you could go wherever you want to go, and there's no reason why you can't go. Where would you go and why? And then just to kind of keep it tied into the things that we're learning, we've learned about the cardinal directions north, south, east, west, and there are intermediate directions northwest, southwest, southeast, and southwest. I want to know which direction that you would have to go from Indiana, from our city, Indianapolis, to get to where you want to go. So you've got three things to do. You got to say in the chat, you've got to say where in the world would you go? You've got to say why do you want to go there? And you have to say which direction you would have to go from Indianapolis to get there. All right, I hope you enjoy our inquiry today, and I'll be seeing you during reading. Enjoy your assignment.